Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the one-liner questions of Part 20 for the all competitive examinations, which will be very useful. So, let us see what we have in our slides. The guard cells which are present in that is stomato. We knew that whatever the guard cells which are present in stomata of the plants. The C. lettucea, which is Sargassum. Though what exactly the Sargassum is? The whatever the C. lettucea, that is known as Sargassum. The mangroves are they are which type of trees? They are halophytic trees. We find these type of mangroves we will find in the where we have in the place where we have, that is Alleppey and seawater, the whatever the deltas, mangrove forest. These are which are located in Kerala region. These type of halophytic trees, they are all examples of one type of mangroves. The casein is the protein which is present in the milk. Please remember that what is the protein which is present in the milk is, that is casein. The Minamata disease is caused by the pollution of, that is mercury. We knew that there is a maximum discharge of mercury and some places into the water that directly leads to the disease, that is Minamata. Silica is found in the body of diatom. Please remember, guys, silica which is maximum found in which place? That is found in the body of diatom. Now we have Indian pangolin feeds on which one? That is ants and termites. You can see to the right side how exactly Indian pangolin looks like. That is directly dependent on ants as well as termites. The function of the liver is to produce insulin, synthesis of glycogen and production of bile. This is one thing you have to remember. We knew that insulin is secreted by pancreas, but in this case the function of the liver is to insulin, synthesis of glycogen as well as production of bile. This will happen in the liver. What exactly the function of the liver is? The primary source of energy is in an ecosystem is known as, we knew that the sunlight is one type of primary source in our ecosystem which helps in all activities from the photosynthesis to whatever we want in the solar cell also. So the primary source of energy in our ecosystem, that is sunlight. The organic matter decomposes due to which? That is because of the bacteria, the organic matter directly decomposes. From the part of the saffron plant is saffron obtained, that is stigma. Please remember, guys, stigma is the one from the saffron plant it is obtained, that is saffron is obtained. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. There are more than 800 plus question papers for various examinations. It has been segregated into different playlists. You can directly download or watch one by one. So next we have Miller's experiment proved the theory of chemical evolution. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the experiment concerning to the Miller's that proved the theory of chemical evolution has been proven by the scientist Miller. The hardening and cement is due to the hydration and hydrolysis. So we knew that whatever the hardening is happened, the cement get hardened because of the hydrolysis as well as hydration process. Artificial rain is produced by the seeding clouds with the silver iodide. As you can see to the right side how exactly these artificial clouds can be rained with the help of throwing the silver iodide just over the clouds. That directly results to the maximum rain in that places. Now we have the microwave oven works on the principle of absorption of microwave by water. So this is one thing how microwave oven works. The principle of absorption of microwaves by water is the principle by which the microwaves directly function. The sky appears blue due to the scattering of light in blue region. Please remember, whatever the sky, because we find the sky in a blue color because the scattering of light in blue region, that region the sky appears always in blue color. Optical fibers used in communication are developed based on the phenomenon of total internal reflection of a light. We knew that these OFC cable, that is optical fiber cables, are very helpful in transferring the data from one place to other place with the process of total internal reflection. An example of molecular crystal is, that is, sodium chloride. This is one type of molecular crystal. This sodium chloride is, that is also known as common salt. Now we have the following was honored with the Bharat Ratna posthumously. The Bharat Ratna has been awarded after the death, that is posthumously, that has been given to the Lok Nayak, who is also known as J.P. Narayan. As you can see to the right side how exactly the quotation has been given. People of this country are racked by hunger, rising prices, corruption. It is a total revolution. We want nothing else. This statement has been given by Lok Nayak. So he is known as people's hero. That is in Hindi, it is Lok Nayak. We knew that ISDN stands for Integrated Service Digital Network. This is one thing, remember guys. ISDN stands for Integrated Service Digital Network. The inert gas which is substituted for nitrogen in the air used by deep sea divers for breathing is, that is, helium. Please remember guys, whatever has been given, the diver he uses along with the oxygen, the helium will be present in that divertor. We call it as, that cylinder is known as divertor. That divertor is used very easily at the deepest places also. It's very easy to inhale. That is the reason he uses the helium along with the liquid oxygen. So this is used by the deep sea divers. Now we have the procedure can be adopted for biological control of mosquitoes, that is Gambusia fish. This is one thing you have to remember, that Gambusia fish which is very helpful in having the, which can easily eat the mosquito larva. That fishes are which are kept in the ponds. The reflex action of is the autonomous nervous system. We knew that whenever we touch the hot portion of the any utensils, we take the hand back. That is due to the autonomous nervous system only. So this is one thing you have to go through all whatever has been given in the slides. The blood group of an individual is controlled by the genes. Please remember guys, the blood group of an individual is controlled by what? That is controlled by genes only. The ionizing radiations are used in sterilization, preservation of foodstuff, inducing artificial mutation. These are the three things you have to remember. What exactly ionizing radiations are? They are used in the sterilization process, as well as preservation of foodstuff, as well as inducing artificial mutation. In all these three processes, the ionization radiation process is used. Red green color blindness in man is known as, you can see to the right side how exactly the rainbow looks to the person suffering with the protanopia. So he will have the red green color blindness. Whatever the red colors as well as green colors will appear in a different colors. So that is one thing you have to remember. Whoever has got the color blindness, he is unfit as he has got the defect of this protanopia. Now we have methyl alcohol is the most poisonous. We knew that poisonous gas is what? That is carbon monoxide is poisonous, but along with that methyl alcohol is also one poisonous, is the most poisonous one. The Kiel Canal links the North Sea as well as Baltic Sea. The both has been linked by the Kiel Canal. Go through internet, you will find how exactly Kiel Canal looks like. That is one thing, the easiest way to remember. GATT headquarters is located at which place? That is located at Geneva. GATT stands for General Agreement Tariff and Trade. This is one thing, the headquarters of this located at which place? That is located at Geneva. Trout is the name of the freshwater fish. You can see to the right side how exactly what exactly the trout is. it is the fish name which is survived in the fresh water only. The writ is issued by the court in case of illegal detention of a person is habeas corpus. This is one type of writ. We have the 5 writs: habeas corpus, mandamus, and there are many more. You can directly go through whatever has been given in the playlist. This writ is issued by a court in case of illegal detention of a person, that is habeas corpus. The Last Supper, a famous Renaissance painting, was a masterpiece of whom? That was drawn by the Leonardo da Vinci. That painting name was The Last Supper. This is one thing you have to remember. Now we have the provision for the separate electorate for Hindus and Muslims was made in the Morley and Minto reforms. In these reforms, the provision has been made for Hindus as well as Muslims. The separate electorate has been formulated. Now we have the Sharda Act, which concerning to the child marriage, which is very important. In this Sharda Act, the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act was passed, because below the age of 18 it is punishable, so it is not at all permissible to get her married. So this is one thing Sharda Act implements over those people who does whatever the child marriage. The blue color of water in the sea is due to the reflection of the blue sky by sea water and scattering of blue light by water molecules. This is the reason why the sea always looks as blue color, because the sea is due to the reflection of the blue sky by the sea water and the scattering of blue light by the water molecules. These are the 2 reasons why the color of the sea is always blue. The image formed on the retina of the eye is small as well as inverted. This is one thing you have to remember. The image whatever forms on the retina, it is very small as well as real and inverted image is formed. So these are the questions, guys. If you want more, you can directly call me on 7667302252 if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life, guys.